a lot of the opportunities are structured through the Science Center for Women. And so early in the spring semester, there's an application process for students interested in being paired up with faculty members at Agnes Scott and even elsewhere. And there's sort of a matching process that occurs through knowledge of what students are interested in and what they're planning to do in the future, what faculty interests are, and it's a really holistic approach to this mentored research on campus. And it's also paired with, connecting students with off-campus mentored research experiences also.
Everyone in history in the senior sim does mentored research, and the students pick their own topics, and then you're assigned a mentor from the library and from the department. And we work with you to form your question, find your sources, we read your drafts, and you write in installments, what I think of as chunks. So we're really there with you every step of the way, and every history major does that.
Yeah. And it's a similar kind of thing in the sociology and anthropology department, right? All of the students do faculty-led research as part of our senior capstone experience, right? Right as they're about to graduate, majors all do independent research that is directed and led by a faculty member. Sometimes students are interested in doing independent research projects that maybe start with an internship or start in a class that they want to keep working on a project, or they connect with a community group that they're interested in working with. And we have, I can't remember the course number, it's like 440 or something like that. It's a directed research class, and that is a one-on-one kind of research experience. I am currently, and sometimes these come out of nowhere, right? I'm currently working on a paper from you met Emil Green from my sociology, history of social theory class, and I'm working with a student in that class on a paper using the Handmaid's Tale, both Margaret Atwood's novel and the Hulu television adaptation, right? To think about how we can use that as a way to talk about theories of Black feminist theories, right? And so that's something that really came out of a classroom experience that we decided to do a different kind of research on. We're not collecting data necessarily, but we are reading some of the literature and criticism about the novel and the television series and looking at it from a sociological perspective. So the opportunities really come from lots of different directions. And